Now let's see what are the core legal obligations of states to protect LGBTI people. The protecting LGBT people from violence and discrimination does not require a new set of human rights, laws or any standards. States are legally required to safeguard the human rights of LGBTQ people. This is well established in international human rights law. As you all know, it is based on the Universal Declaration of Human Rights or UDHR, which is established in 1948 and including other international human rights treaties. So, the core legal obligations of states with respect to protecting the human rights of LGBTQ people include obligations, which include obligations to first one, to protect individuals from homophobic and transphobic violence. The second one, prevent torture and cruel, inhuman or degrading treatment. The third one, repeal laws criminalizing same-sex relations and transgender people. The next one, prohibit discriminations based on sexual orientation and gender identity. The last one, safeguards freedoms of expressions, associations and peaceful assembly for LGBTQ people. So each and every laws, including international covenants on economic, social and cultural rights 1968 and ICHCR and Women Charter and the other human rights documents, which all have addressed the basic rights of human rights and which also include all the rights for the LGBTQ people. So now move forward for advances towards LGBTQ equality. So in recent years, many states have strengthened human rights protection for LGBTQ people, including by discriminating same-sex relations, adopting law banning discriminations, penalizing homophobic, biopic and transphobic hate crimes, granting recognition of same-sex relations and ensuring that transgender individuals are able to obtain identity documents that reflects their preferred gender without abusive requirements, putting in place training programs for police, prison staff, teachers, social workers and caregivers to better survive the LGBTQ community, and anti-bullying initiatives in many schools. So about the LGBTQ people and the human rights, there is no any difference. So as LGBTQ people are also considered as people and they have basic human rights and they are being human rights, their rights cannot be violated or this right is not inalienable. So that's they can claim any rights which under the international human rights treaties, except some countries have banned their rights on marriage and having some sex with the partner which they desire. That are the issues. This has to be addressed. Thank you.